Welcome back, guys and girls. Today, the situation we are trying to resolve involves a 2005 Nissan Pathfinder. Other models of Pathfinder and I believe Frontier trucks are going to be similar. So, obviously, I'm under the dash. But before we get to exactly what we're talking about, I'll describe the problem. So this Pathfinder has factory or dealer installed tow package. So it has the hitch, the lights, everything. Was towing the trailer and the left side, driver's side, turn signal and brake light quit working. Found out the wires were pinched under the trailer, shorted them out. I've replaced all that. Still doesn't work. Even though all the lights on the Pathfinder work. So when you go searching, you will find that under the hood in the fuse box, there is a fuse that says tow. There's also a relay that feeds power in case you're feeding 12 volt back to your trailer. What you're not going to find in your manual, and it takes quite a little bit of searching online for anybody that has figured out the hard way where these fuses actually are. There is one fuse under the hood for your running lights on your trailer, but they couldn't make it easy. So if you will see right up, let's see if I can get to where I can see and show you what we're looking at. So do you see those two right there? This is above the gas pedal, above the accelerator pedal. And you see those two little covers right there? One is your left turn signal stoplight fuse, and one is your right turn signal stoplight fuse for your trailer. And some people have said they weren't even this obvious. They were wrapped up with tape, and you had to untape it to find it. So, again, there are your two fuses. We'll follow down. There is your accelerator pedal. Oh, right there. So, brake pedal, accelerator pedal. On this particular vehicle, they are right up in there. Okay, just a little follow-up. Man, was that a pain in the ass. Period. So, there's only enough room, well, for a person my size, there's only enough room to really get one arm up into that wiring up under the dash. So, a long pair of needle nose pliers, excuse me, I'm gonna sneeze here in a minute. A long pair of needle nose pliers and ones with this bend on them are a godsend, because you have to reach one hand up in between the linkages. On this vehicle, it's got the pedals that move back and forth and that are adjustable. And so you have to get one hand up in between all those linkages and get a hold of the back of that wiring harness to support it. And there's just not enough room to get your arm, shoulder, everything else up in there. So if you grip your fuse here and turn this away from the wiring harness, because over here is the body control module and all that stuff, you can put the fuse right in there. Good flashlight with a magnet also helps. Those things will only slow your cursing down slightly though. So I've changed the fuses out. I've got my trusty magnetic tow lights. So let's see what happens. We got left, we got right, we got our running lights. Let's see. There's our hazard lights. And I've already checked the brake lights. We didn't have a problem with them before. So, guys, there's where the hidden gem is. Hope that helps you out.